In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Webflow to n8n. So start by logging into your n8n account. Then next in the left panel, click on the Add button, then Workflow, then Personal. So here, click on Add First Step. Then in the search bar, look for Webflow, then click on it. Now here, choose any trigger that you want to get started with. And you can also add actions if you want. Then click on it. Now this new window will pop up, and here all you have to do is click on the credential drop-down menu and click on create new credential. This will open up this new window where you'll see an option to connect your account. So click on it. And now a new window will pop up, prompting you to authorize n8n Cloud with Webflow. So here, all you have to do is select the sites or workspaces to authorize, then click on Authorize App. And with that, we have now successfully connected our Webflow account with n8n. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!